QSERVICES, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. Here we are as usual. Well, this time we've got the K10 122. This kit is also available for the K7 122. Obviously the jet size will be different in the tip of the lance. Well, we're talking about the jet. That jet there, stainless steel quick releases. It can actually go straight into the gun itself, so it makes it easy to work with if you're doing a job. Stainless steel quick release minis. We've then got the stainless steel middies. Stainless steel into the ST P8 genuine snow foam bottle. Quick release on the outlet of the machine. This machine itself, 120 bar at 10 litres, running at 2,800 RPMs. Make sure that when you're using this machine always you unravel that electric cable, don't leave it coiled up. Pressure regulator, the red knob there to turn the pressure up and down. Pressure gauge protected, so that there, take the cap off, you can see the reading, put it back on. Always keep them with WD. Don't grease. Grease attracts dirt, ends up being a grinding paste. WD if you can do. It will protect quick releases. Like I say, stainless steel, PA genuine snow foam bottle. Stainless steel lance, 600mm, slight bend at the end. So that jet can be used there. You can take the lance out of the equation, use the jet or the snow foam bottle directly into the gun, makes it easy. Proper rubber hose, 250 bar rubber hose, one wire. So it's very soft, supple. It's not like these plastic hoses in the marketplace. Thanks very much, QSERVICES, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. And that's the Obsessed package with the Kranzle K10 122. And obviously that Obsessed package is also available with the 7122 on request. Thank you.